If you're turning down full color jobs, you're missing out on the biggest growth opportunity for your screen print business. If you stick around until the end of the video, I'll tell you about a massive discount on Action Steps. Action Steps teaches you step by step how to master full color prints and how to achieve repeatable results on press time and time again. If you're watching this video ad right now, it's because your screen print business isn't where you want it to be and you're considering enrolling into Action Steps to help grow your business. What if I told you you can start taking on those full color jobs with the equipment you already have? Even if you have a 4-color one-station press and are using a flood lamp to expose your screens. Learning how to screen print full color images may seem complicated and like it requires you to be a Photoshop expert to achieve quality results. However, Action Steps walks you through, step by step, how to separate your art, print half-tone film with any printer, what screen mesh to use, what type of emulsion you'll need for screen printing halftones, how to expose screens, what order to set your screens up in, and how to achieve consistent results job after job. You could continue to scour YouTube just to get bits and pieces of training on simulated process and try to figure out how to piece the training all together by yourself. Or you could fast track the learning curve with a well laid out, proven training system that leaves no stones unturned. Enroll with complete confidence because Action Steps comes with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Enroll now and get an additional 10% off. Click the link below, use coupon code ACTION10 for even more savings. There is absolutely no downside. Click the button below and enroll today. And I'll see you inside the course.